Ma'am, tanong ko na po kayo about sa issue po na same-sex marriage. Bali po yung first question ko, what is your understanding about same-sex marriage?
Same-sex marriage. Ngayon, yung modern na, hindi rampant na situation na ganyan, where same-sex like girls, boys, get engaged to a relationship or equal marriage. And 18, it's consensus between both parties. And if the both parties are happy, I think okay lang. As long as they are happy, okay lang. And wala silang demise na other person.
Ano po ba yung possible causes po bakit nagkakaroon ng same-sex marriage?
I think it would start on the way on how the person is brought up. Paano siya pinalaki. I think merong malalim or emotional na pinanggagalingan. Bakit yun yung understanding niya of what love is. I think kasi when you're talking about marriage, I think it's a union between two person about love. Nangyayari yan. Unang-una yan lang. Paano siya pinalaki. Siguro, they have a wide variety of choices. Wide variety of choices na na-express nila yung love nila. Okay? Plus, also the media. Meron din influence sa media. Modern na tayo ngayon, we are being influenced by Western culture. Yes, parang Western culture, medyo liberated na sila in that sense. So, sa tingin ko, nagiging dapat. Plus, another thing is, there are also individuals who are impatient finding love in their opposite. Siguro, sa sobrang depressed nila in a certain situation, wherein ang channel nila of their emotion is channel to the same sex. Dun siguro, nag-develop. Plus, there's a strong bind between friendship and
Yung mga effects naman po.
effects socially. I think socially accepted na, right? Kasi ngayon modern na hindi na bago sa mata na mga tao. Meron pa partners na babae, lalaki. Effects. Advantage. As a general effect, siguro, diba? Less, nakikita kong effect is, as a general is, yung population, mas less yung possibility of increasing the number of people kasi you can create. Okay? Pwede yun. Disadvantage siguro sa mga mata na conservative people. Okay? Meron siguro yung effect mo sa society natin na pwede silang dumami ng ganong situation, na ganong case. Hindi ko naman sinasabing masama, pero pwede maging example sa other people na pwede pala yung ganong situation. Okay?
In favor po ba kayo o against the same-sex?
Favor ba ako? No.
Bakit?
Hindi ako favor kasi naniniwala pa rin ako sa teachings ng Bible that man is created nagpa-follow pa rin ako dun sa norm na dapat partner natin is our opposite. And we are here to procreate a responsibility. On my opinion naman, yun lang.
Ano naman po yung differences between the past and present views of people about same-sex relationship?
O, dati, syempre, konting makitaan lang na magkasama lalaki o babae. Iba na agad, marami na agad na gulong-gulong, diba? Pero ngayon, dati we are very conservative with that idea. Ngayon, hindi na. We are liberated na. Okay? Yung idea na ganyan is open na, plus the influence of the media, open na. Marami pang I think groups or mga activists ang nagre-raise ng law of having the same-sex marriage. Hindi lang ako sure kung yung Philippines, yun, I think wala pa.
Ano, sa last question po, ano po possible solution sa same-sex marriage?
Pero may solution, hindi ko naman siya iniisip as a problem. Hindi ko siya view as problem ng society. Kaya I don't think na we need a solution about it. I think we have, or the government should implement laws protecting their rights. Ayan ang iniisip ko. Protecting their rights na parang hindi sila nababali, hindi sila nade-degrade sa society. Yun, equal rights. Okay? For the married couple na babae ito lang, equal rights for married couple na same sex. Hindi ko siya sinaisip na solusyon na para ma-prevent ang pagkakaroon ng same-sex marriage. No. Kahit sinasabi kong hindi ako pro about it. Pero hindi ko rin siya sinasabi na problem sila. Kasi